Hi there, I'm Monty McKinnon. Thank you so much for joining me. We have a couple of issues that I've got to deal with here, and hopefully I can get my workaround for this because somehow I blew it, and I'll tell you about that right after we spin the intro. All right, we are back. I picked up some long binding, okay, like this. It's a very thin strip, and it wraps around the guitar. I bend it, and it goes around here. Well, when you bend it, so there's one that's going around the full outside, reaches to the back, reaches to the top, but it just reaches. So what I did is I took tape, and I put a piece of tape in here. Then I took the tape and I measured it out here, so I knew that this piece here, when I bend it and would get it shaped, it would fit exactly into here. I also did the same thing running from the center at the back around the side of the guitar, and I did this. Only I found out that the wood that I picked up wasn't long enough, and that's the first time this has happened. 24 guitars. This is a first. What I have is some wood that I did in the bender, only instead of bending it around the top, like you saw me do here, I bent it so that it's going straight up here and right out, so that when I put it on this side, I can tape it here, know that I have enough wood, bring it around here, and I'll nip it here, and we'll all be good. So we've solved that problem. So I need to explain this jig just a bit. Because these two pieces of plexi are like my arms, these are exaggerated, they're out like this. When I tighten the one, it's going to pull it in. I tighten the other, it's going to pull it in. And so I take the calipers here, and I mark the calipers to the center line, and then I move it over to the other side to make sure that I've got it each point here right down on the center line. Now remember, this is on an angle. It's coming in like this. So the center point at the down here, it's going to still be the same center point, but the distance between the center and the outside of the piece is different than what it is at the top. And what's happening is I'm getting part of it absolutely bang on, and then at the lower end, it's just not working. So I got to keep fiddling with that until I get it right. So I'm going to do that, and once I have it right, I'll come back and I'll let you know how we're progressing. So I'm now at the position where I have this perfectly placed, and there's a little notch in the wood here that allows for the router blade to slip down into here. And you can see I can't push that up there because it's all going to get cut away in just a minute or two. So we've got this set. We know that it's set properly here. And what I'm about to do now is just double check so I only have to cut once. Otherwise, you know what happens. I mess it up big time. So we'll just step over here and we'll check it out. Okay, it's all good. We're set to go. All we have to do now is plug in, and
you keep doing your thing.
We're good to go.
We're just gonna plug it in now and route the edges.
You never know who's coming for a cup of tea, do you?
Coffee, because it's National Coffee Day today.
Oh, there you go. I didn't know that.
I brought him a filter, one of the new filters.
Oh, okay, this is good. That's not for coffee, though.
No.
No.
What are you actually doing?
I'm actually going to route this out.
Oh, okay.
You know how at the end of the guitar you have all a little dark piece running down in here? Usually a dark piece. Well, that's what I'm doing here. So I'll put that in, and then I'll cut all around the guitar because I'm going to make this one real fancy. So get ready. We're about to blow dust everywhere here.
What, towards me?
I don't know where it's going. I have no idea. I will start it on this side, and I will move this way. It should go both ways, so be careful with your lens.
Okay.
I know it's good for me this way, so.
He's making a mess.
My effort, look at this. Whether your mother sees me have to take this shirt off and she has to wash it again after just doing it.
You made a mess, Dad.
I did, didn't I?
Yeah.
But this isn't looking too bad. See? I'll just take that out with a chisel. I don't need to worry about any of that. That just...
I was gonna say with chisel, which should probably do.
Oh, yeah. Isn't that what we do in this, in this work?
Just chisel away.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll have to give it one more shot down the side there.
These are my new filters. I brought one for you.
Wow. Thank
For
you.
your YouTube videos.
Thank you very much.
Eco-friendly packaging.
Yes.
Because Earth.
Matters.
Yes.
Wow. Polaroid?
Polar Pro.
Polar Pro, okay.
Come on, Dad.
That's the other guy.
Come on, Dad. This guy. Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
This is cool,
Whoa.
right?
Look at that.
Bam.
Doesn't look like an M.
It's encased inside, so you never have to touch the glass when you put it on your camera.
Oh, I
For
like
the vlogs that you're going to start making, right?
Yes. Yes. We got to get serious here now. No more of this just fooling around stuff. We want to give everybody a close-up of what we're doing and how we're messing up everything here. So you can see, by the way, I've got this side nice and straight. I'll get this side. I'll have to do one more pass, but I'll get the thank you so much for that. That is really great. I like that.
Yeah, he's going to do one more pass and it's just
I won't do that right now.
I don't know. Watch his channel to figure all that
No,
out.
I won't do that. We can do that. That's great.
Let's go up to your office for a second. I want to show your book. Sorry for the interruption here. We will be right back after this quick message upstairs. Buy my dad's book. Link in description below. It's cheap and he's 80 and he made a book. Come on, what are you doing? What are you doing? You should be buying the book. Just do it.
They are. I've sold 4 or 5.
Well, you should be selling 500.
Exactly. See what happens when you leave the door open? All right, this is done. And I have some more work to do in this area before we put this around. I'm going to make a wedge piece. I'm going to put some stuff in there, and I'm thinking of maybe decorating this with some shell. So I like that idea. I should imagine you will too. There's what she's looking like. And that should work out just hunky-dory. I got to clean up, and we'll be out of here. So there are links down below, as Peter indicated. There are links down below to the book. If you wish to purchase the book, you can go on to Amazon. You can get it on the Kindle edition, or you can get it in the paperback. So appreciate that very much. Thanks for supporting the channel. Thanks for supporting me. Feel free to comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Dippity-doo-dah.